In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's viewpoint on Uniswap future while talking about uni cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly sort of remember that you want to think about this and any kind of other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything generally is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Uniswap in an extremely significant manner. Presently, we should head into it in an unpretentious manner, before we dig profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that Uniswap is an essentially wise venture or not. For what reason will Uniswap succeed or truly fall flat, or for what reason will Uniswap value rise or drop? We should rapidly especially toss a look at what is Uniswap and its to-date history, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. What in a real sense is Uniswap, in spite of mainstream thinking? The venture truly was made by a kind of individual called Hayden Adams, a sort of previous mechanical designer who generally lost his especially genuine world work in 2017, which is genuinely critical. Seeing a post made by Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin persuaded him to explicitly find out about in every way that really matters, savvy contract improvement, in spite of mainstream thinking. After he did as such, Adams later on utilized his recently procured abilities to make a decentralized trade which he named Uniswap, or so they in a real sense thought. The trade is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain engineering as two shrewd agreements, a manufacturing plant agreement and trade contract in a kind of significant way. The processing plant brilliant agreement contains a trade vault, and a technique to in a real sense convey and trade contract for an especially specific ERC20 token in a very huge manner. On account of this, any legitimate ERC20 truly token can be traded on Uniswap by means of their actually own special trade contract, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. There especially is precisely one trade contract for each ERC20 extremely token, and on the off chance that in every practical sense, token doesn't yet sort of have a trade, one can be made by anybody utilizing the Uniswap manufacturing plant contract. Computerized market producer market making isn't finished by determining the costs you need to sell, purchase for. What occurs in every practical sense is that Uniswap makes markets with the assistance of a deterministic calculation called mechanized market creator. The calculation provides cost estimates to end clients as indicated by a pre-characterized rule set called consistent item market creator model, or so they most certainly thought. This AMM can continuously give liquidity, regardless of how enormous the request size nor how minuscule the liquidity pool. The stunt generally is that the cost of the coin asymptotically increments as the ideal amount increments, or so they really thought, while bigger orders basically will generally sort of endure subsequently. The framework never needs to fundamentally stress over running out of liquidity in a significant manner. The market-making component works through the XY equals K recipe, which is genuinely critical. For instance, we should expect that market producers contributed 1,000 ERC20 pretty token and 1,000 ETH to the pool. The kind of objective of the trade's calculation is to, in every practical sense, keep up with the size of this 1 million kind of symbolic pool. Uniswap value expectation, or so they most certainly thought. The entire crypto world is on an edge of in every way that really matters. Complete breakdown, which is very huge. Bitcoin for the most part has fallen 75% from its untouched extremely high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon basically is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers sort of are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year. This is by and large reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the genuinely inverse heading and truly alter the course in a huge manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many in a real sense times in the far off and kind of later history, or so they truly thought. Our cost expectation model certainly is negative for the essentially next 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We essentially expect whales and exceptionally other greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each task, which especially is genuinely huge. Basics that we in every practical sense assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical sort of potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, or so they thought. 2023 0211 plus 1.59% $6. 48202302 12 plus 0.87% $6 44202302 13 plus 1.99% $6 51202302 14 plus 0.99% $6 44202302 15 plus 1.05% $6 45202302 16 plus 6.32% $6 78 202302 17 plus 6.20% $6 78 202302 18 plus 1.25% $6 46 202302 19 plus 0.06% $6 38 202302 20 plus 2.54% $6 54 202302 21 plus 0.67% $6.42 Uniswap value forecast 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance in a real sense pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 basically isn't looking excessively very great for the bulls, or so they sort of thought. We will presumably see a ton of extremely exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip basically lower with every minor market quake, or so they thought. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise in an unpretentious manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the especially last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 16.33% $5.34. 2023 APRA 34.70% $4.17. 2023 May 19.79% $5.12. 2023 June 12.62% $5.58. 2023 JOL, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 12.52% $5.58. 2023 AUG 1.99% $6.25. 2023 SEP plus 7.26% $6.84. 2023 ON, which most certainly is very critical, plus 10.11% $7.03. 2023 NA plus 23.58% $7.88. 2023 DEC in an unpretentious manner, plus 30.26% $8.31. 2024 JAN in an unpretentious manner, plus 33.36% $8.51. 2024 FEB, plus 45.50% $9.28. UNI value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Uni coming to $15.63 in 2025. What will Uni for the most part be worth in 5 years, which sort of is very huge. The cost of Uni in 5 years could truly lie around $14.20, which is very huge. Uniswap value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Uniswap will essentially be somewhat worth in 2030